Number 1. 2001 Ford Ranger, price $5,850, powered by a 3.0L V6 engine and an automatic transmission, featuring a white exterior over a gray interior. Gasoline-powered with 133,000 miles, this 3-owner North Carolina truck comes with a clean title, a accident-free Carfax, and no active dashboard lights. The vehicle is equipped with manual windows, manual locks, and functional cruise control. Recent mechanical work includes new front sway bar links, new front brake pads, a new radiator, a new thermostat, fresh engine oil, a rear axle fluid change, and nearly new Falconet 4W tires. The interior is well kept with untorn seats, rear jump seats, and the spare tire toolkit intact. Despite typical exterior wear, including a notable dent on the tailgate that still operates properly, the truck drives smoothly. It includes a dedicated ignition key along with a separate key for the doors. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, finished in a green exterior over a gray interior. Powered by a 5.0L Vortec V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered vehicle currently shows 108,000 original miles on the odometer. It is a single-family-owned California truck with an accident-free Carfax report, a clean California title in hand, recent August smog certification, and active registration valid through January 2027. The vehicle comes well equipped with working power windows, power door locks, a functional radio, complete instrumentation, a tow package with trailer brakes, and a lightly used bedliner. Its exterior body remains straight and in great overall condition for its era, displaying only minor clear coat chips and light scratches naturally expected on an original truck. Inside, the non-smoker cabin is exceptionally clean with no rips or major stains, while the tires retain plenty of remaining tread, making this turnkey truck completely ready for the road. Number 3. 1994 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,500. The truck is a single-cab, long-bed pickup truck finished in a blue exterior with a white interior layout. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this vehicle currently shows 195,000 miles on the odometer. It runs excellently with no mechanical concerns, and it has also recently passed state smog testing. The truck comes well equipped for utility and comfort, featuring functional power windows, power door locks, a heavy-duty tow package, a protective camper shell over the long bed, and cold air conditioning. Overall, it stands as a solid, capable 3/4-ton truck ready to hit the road. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, finished in its original factory green paint over a matching original tan interior. Powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered truck currently shows 170,000 miles on the odometer and serves as a reliable, eye-catching daily cruiser. The vehicle is remarkably clean both inside and out, featuring a neat, well-maintained truck bed that is ready for light hauling or everyday cargo needs. Designed for comfortable year-round driving, the truck comes equipped with a fully functional climate control system that delivers strong heat and cold air conditioning. Enhancing its overall appearance and road handling, it features a quality Beltec lowering kit that gives the vehicle a sleek, custom stance without compromising ride quality. As original, unmolested models from this era are becoming increasingly difficult to find on the road, this tidy S10 presents a unique opportunity to own a comfortable, stylish, and practical classic pickup. Number 5. 1992 Ford Ranger, price $9,500, finished in a rich brown exterior over a complementary tan interior. Powered by a robust 4.0L engine paired with an engaging manual transmission, this gasoline-powered vehicle has accumulated just 75,000 original miles on the odometer. The truck is remarkably clean inside and out, boasting a clean bed ready for cargo and maintaining absolute original condition throughout. With the sole exception of an upgraded aftermarket radio, the interior is notably well kept, spotless, and completely free of tobacco smoke, offering a comfortable environment where all gauges, controls, and features operate as intended. While the climate control system is intact and fully functional, the air conditioning currently requires a routine recharge to restore cold airflow. Combining exceptionally low mileage, classic early 90s styling, and proven four-wheel drive capability, this pristine Ranger represents a rare, highly collectible example of a classic American pickup. Number 6. 2004 Ford F-250, price $8,300, finished in a bold red exterior over a spacious tan interior. Powered by a diesel-fueled 6.0L turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, this vehicle currently shows 231,000 miles on the odometer. Built with a 6 3/4 foot bed, the truck runs and drives perfectly with zero issues, offering reliable 4WD performance suited for any season or road condition alongside a rust-free frame kept in great overall shape. The mechanical setup is thoroughly upgraded, as the engine was rebuilt roughly 100,000 miles ago with head studs, EGR delete, and an upgraded big turbo. The transmission shifts smoothly, enabling the truck to travel at highway speeds without shakes or rattles. Aided by newer tires and brakes, inside, the cabin comfortably seats up to 6 passengers and comes equipped with practical features including power windows, power door locks, cruise control, cold air conditioning, and hot heating. Additionally, the truck includes a protective bedline. Number 7. 2004 GMC 2500, price $6,900, powered by a strong 8.1L V8 gasoline engine paired with a Renault Allison automatic transmission. Currently showing 298,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle features a gold exterior paired with a tan interior. It holds a clean title with a clear, accident-free history and has been consistently well cared for, running smoothly with zero mechanical issues or active check engine lights on the dashboard. The truck comes equipped with a dedicated towing package and a fully functional 4-wheel drive system. Inside the non-smoker cabin, every component operates as it should, including the power windows, power door locks, radio, and ice-cold air conditioning. While the front seating displays some typical cosmetic wear accumulated over the years, the rear seat remains in like-new condition, presenting a dependable and capable truck ready for the road. Number 8. 1971 Chevrolet C10, price $10,350, equipped with a 350 V8 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Showing 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vintage truck showcases a brown exterior full of character complemented by a clean black interior. The previous owner installed new rocker panels and floorboards, ensuring the frame and truck bed remains solid and structurally sound. Rolling on a set of stylish torque thrust wheels, the exterior paint displays a heavy, genuine patina alongside various repainted patches. Inside, the cabin is in good overall condition, though it no longer retains the factory radio. This running and driving C10 serves as an excellent candidate for a cool summer cruiser. Number 9. 1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,750, powered by a reliable 3.4L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 168,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered vehicle features a unique purple exterior paired with a gray interior. It comes with an accident-free history, a clean title in hand, recent smog clearance, and up-to-date registration. Equipped with functional power windows and power door locks, the interior remains in good working order. On the outside, the factory paint is in good overall shape, though it exhibits a few minor bumps and bruises typical of a well-loved original truck. Number 10. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $2,999, powered by a proven 5.2L V8 Magnum engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This gasoline-fueled truck currently shows 229,000 miles on the odometer. Sporting a bold black exterior over a functional gray interior, the vehicle is being offered with a clean Florida title in hand, ready for its next owner to put it straight to work. Mechanically, the truck remains in great running condition, performing strongly with no major drivability concerns. It benefits from well-maintained essential components, featuring solid brakes, tires with plenty of remaining life, and a newly installed alternator that ensures reliable electrical performance. While the truck shows typical signs of regular cosmetic wear, including clear coat fading on the exterior paint and sun-induced cracking on the dashboard from exposure to the intense Florida heat, it remains a mechanically sound, durable, and capable full-size pickup built to handle demanding everyday jobs.